Hello, welcome to today's Tàijíquán Tip. I'm Stephen Watson here at Deep River Landing in Deep River, Connecticut. I'm Steve Watson from Someday Farm, I guess I should say. Thanks for your contributions. I guess I could maybe say a suggested donation is, if a tip works for you, clicks for you, seems like it's made for you, or addresses an issue or concern that you've had. Maybe $1.08 is a cup of coffee from the old days. $1.08. Maybe that's our suggested donation. Anyway, I came in here. I have a tea class starting in a few minutes, and it's early in the morning, very calm. And I kind of noticed all the buoys. I don't know if you can catch them with the sun into the camera lens, but I thought, considering the buoys, they will rise with, in this case, the river, right? So the water level, they'll rise and fall. And they'll also move with the currents and the winds. And perhaps if a boat is anchored to one or something like that, or perhaps a bird lands on it and it sinks a little bit. But the idea is there's this beautiful balance between, connected to the river bottom, in this case, the earth, and the floating. And the buoy can really move up, down, left, right, front, back, in all the directions. So it's rather free. It's rather hovering, but it's supported by the water. And anyway, the idea would be to consider. I like to do it with the wrists, but maybe a different body part would work for you. Consider the wrists as buoys, that they're floating and free, and yet they're connected to the earth. So there's this balance of floating and connection, of freedom and connection. So give you an opportunity to play with that, and perhaps you'll comment and subscribe and like, and let me know what you're doing with that particular note. Thank you so much.
Linktree.com/Someday Farm is how you can find us online. While you're thinking about finding us, maybe think about helping us financially. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is based on tips. Thank you.